Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I went to market in order to buy foodstuffs and I saw tiger nuts, so I decided to buy a pint of it. This custard bucket is 5,000, so I just bought one pint of it. So after that I also decided to buy dates, that is sweetener for the tiger nut, as you can see. So I had to soak it overnight. In the morning I had to wash it, remove the seed inside the dates and blend both of them together using clean water and my bushy mix blender. So after washing it, I had to transfer it into my bushy mix blender, as you can see in this video. Okay, then added a clean water so that I can now finally blend it using bushy mix blender. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so after blending it, I had to sieve it, okay, so that I can get the juice free from any particles. So this is me now trying to sieve the tiger nuts and dates so that I can get the juice. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, you can as well add ginger, garlic, banana and other things, but for today I decided to use only tiger nuts and dates. Okay, so after sieving it, I had to receive again to be sure there is no particles inside. Then after that I had to transfer it into a cup, into a jug rather. So as you can see, I was able to produce 1.5 jug of tiger nut juice. So after that I decided to grill some fish so that we will use it to enjoy the tiger nut juice. So I am trying to marinate my fish using my pepper sauce. Is a combination of bell pepper, fresh pepper, onions and seasoning, salt, maggi, fish spice and all that. Then oil. You just have to, the way you make your stew, you have to just blend them together and then use it to make a paste that you will use to marinate your fish. Okay, I will still do a clear video on how I did it. So for now, that is what I am using to marinate this fish. Okay, after washing your fish, okay, you will have to give it a cut on the body. Okay, so that way when you marinate it, it will now, the spice and all that will go into the fish. So after that, I had to wrap it up with a foil, then boom, into my air fryer. As you can see, air fryer oven. So after that, I had to leave it for some minutes and tada, our fish is ready. Okay, our fish is ready. As you can see, so delicious, so yummy, so creamy, so tasty, fat. It was so delicious, honestly. So the next one, I had to get my potatoes ready. I had to, cut it, removed the back. I had to cut it into my desired shape and size. I think it was too small. I mean, this cutting, so when making yours, let it be a bit bigger. Okay, but if you still like it this way, it's still fine. So after that, I had to, cut it to my desired size and shape. After removing the back, I had to wash it very well. Okay, I had to wash it very well in order to remove the dirt on the body. And this is how it should look like, very clean. And after that, I had to fry. Okay, I had to fry it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, I had to fry it so that we can use it to enjoy. And this is the end results: my grilled fish, my tiger nut juice and my potatoes. As you can see, they are so delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye.